Good morning, students. Myself Renu Yadav, and today we will discuss assessment sheet 4 of Science class 5. First, fill in the blanks. Children, here few incomplete sentences are given and you need to complete those sentences with appropriate words. The first sentence is a light travels in a dash line. The answer is straight. Children, light from a source travel in a straight line. This property of light to travel in a straight line is called a rectilinear propagation of light. B dash is the fixed point around which a lever moves. The answer is fulcrum. Children, fulcrum is the fixed point around which a lever moves. Children, we all know that lever consists of three parts: fulcrum, load and effort, among which fulcrum is the fixed point around which lever used to move. Then C dash are shadows that occur in space. The answer is eclipse. An eclipse is a shadow formed in space that makes the sun or the moon invisible for some times. Eclipses are of two kinds: solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Next is D. Brush your teeth dash daily. The answer is twice. Brush teeth properly twice a day to prevent tooth decay. This helps to remove food particles stuck between the teeth. Next is E dash is an inclined plane wrapped into a spiral. The answer is screw. Screw is an inclined plane wrapped into a spiral. Children, what an inclined plane is? An inclined plane is a sloping surface in which one end is higher than the other, and screw is an inclined plane wrapped into a spiral. Screws can be seen in lids of bottles, revolving chairs, studs, etc. Question 2. Give two examples of. Children, here few terms are given and you need to give the examples of these terms. The first term is biodegradable waste. First of all, what are biodegradable waste? Children, the waste that decompose easily and mix with the soil are called biodegradable waste. It do not cause any kind of pollution. The example of biodegradable waste are vegetable peels and paper. Second is communicable diseases. Children, communicable diseases are those diseases that can spread from a sick person to a healthy person. The examples of communicable diseases are dengue and malaria. Third is translucent objects. Children, translucent objects are the objects through which light can pass partially. Okay, the objects which allow light to pass partially are called translucent objects. The examples of translucent objects are butter paper and plastic sheets. Next is opaque objects. Children, objects through which light cannot pass at all are called opaque objects. Example of opaque objects are pencil and book. And the last one is non-biodegradable waste. Children, non-biodegradable waste are the waste which do not decompose easily and stay in the soil for a very long time. It causes soil pollution. Biodegradable waste do not cause any pollution, but non-biodegradable waste causes soil pollution. The example of non-biodegradable waste are plastic and metal. 3. Write true or false. Children, here few sentences are given and you need to state that the sentence is true or false. The first sentence is biodegradable waste is dumped in landfills. This sentence is false and the correct sentence is non-biodegradable waste is dumped in landfills. Children, biodegradable waste get decomposes easily, okay, but non-biodegradable waste do not get decomposed easily. Therefore proper steps are taken to decompose it. Therefore non-biodegradable waste is dumped in landfills, and the statement which is given, which is biodegradable waste is dumped in landfills, is false. Second question is scissors are a second class lever. Children, this sentence is also false. Scissors are first class levers, as in scissor the fulcrum is between the load and the effort. Okay, therefore scissors are in a first class lever, not in second class lever. Therefore the sentence scissors are a second class lever is false. The third sentence is proper disposal of waste is important. This sentence is correct. It is true. Fourth sentence is shadows are formed by transparent objects. Children, this sentence is false, as shadows are formed by opaque objects. Okay, shadows are formed by opaque objects. Very clear and dark shadows are formed by opaque objects. Therefore the sentence shadows are formed by transparent objects is wrong or false. Fifth, the A bottle opener is second class lever. Yes, children, this sentence is correct. It's true. A bottle opener is a second class lever, as in a bottle opener the load is between the fulcrum and the effort. Next is define. Define shadow. Children, here we need to explain what a shadow is. Shadow is a dark image of an object that is formed when light cannot pass through it. Okay, children? A dark region formed by an opaque or translucent object when it blocks light is called a shadow. There are few things which are needed to form a shadow. Those are source of light, an opaque object, and a screen on which the shadow is formed. With this, I end up with the topic. Thank you.